Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to resize the columns and the rows in Google Sheets. So here we go. Alright, so just to the basic simple instruction I'm going to show you today. I'm going to increase the size. I'm going to resize this this row. So simply to do that, I'll just click on the row that I want to resize, click on that. And then if I just come down this area here, I will see a two-headed arrow, I should say. So I'll just pull down like this. And the size of that particular row has been increased. And if I pull the arrow the other way, up like this, it will decrease the height of that row. Alright, so let's say we want to increase the height of a few rows. So I'm going to select them, the rows that I want to highlight. I'm going to select them like this, and I'm going to click on the bottom line of any one of them like this, and I will just see the arrow again. There you go. I'll just pull down, and the height of these 4 rows has been resized. They will be the same size. Alright, so let me just undo that. Okay, so let's say we want to resize the rows for the entire spreadsheet. We're going to highlight these rows here. I'm going to go up here in the corner here, click on that, and the entire spreadsheet will be highlighted. So what we're going to do next, I am going to just come down here and just do the same like what we did before, to whatever height I would like it to be, and this will adjust the height of all the rows in the spreadsheet. You see that? Alright, let me show you one more step. Okay, so let's say I want to highlight, let's say we want to highlight the row to a particular height. We have a particular measurement that we would like to set for our row height. So I just select the row, right click, and we're going to select Resize Row, click on that, and you see right now it is at 30 pixels. So I'm going to change this to, let's see, maybe about 45, so you can actually see the difference. Click OK, and you can see the height of that row has adjusted to 45. If you want to decrease it, you do the same thing, right click again, select Resize Row, and maybe put it to 25. Alright, so let's do to resize the columns. Alright, so I have this column here, we have some figures here, and these I find a bit wide, so I will start with that, right? I want to reduce the width of this column here. So I'm going to just come up here, this is column D, I'm going to come to the right of the column, pull to the left of it like this, and that is how I would resize that column width. I could pull the other direction, click on the column again, pull the other direction, and that will widen the width of the column. So let's say we want to do it for these 3 columns. I'm going to select them, column D, E, and F, and I'm just going to look for the two-headed arrow, and pull. I'm going to pull to the left. I like to make the column smaller. Pull to the left, and there you have it. Right. So these 3 columns have been resized, same size. So let's say we want to resize the columns to the entire sheet. We're going to click in the corner like we did the last time for the rows, and I'm just going to again look for the arrow, pull to the left, or if I want to pull to the right and make it larger, like that, and we are done. So all the rows in the spreadsheet has been adjusted to the same size. So we're going to adjust the column width to a specific width. Alright, so we're going to click on the top here in the header area, select column D, E, and F, then we're going to right click, and then we're going to see resize. It's going to say Resize Columns, so it is saying what column that is being selected, column D to F. So I'm going to click on that, and we're going to adjust this to maybe, I want it smallest, maybe about, let's say 65. Yes, and we're done. So these 3 columns, the width has been adjusted to 65 pixels. Alright, and then one thing I need to show you, I forgot to mention, you could also auto adjust the width. So you just come up here again, just double click on that. And what will happen is that Google Sheets will just automatically set the space between from the start and the end of the information in that cell to give you adequate space. But you may want it differently, but this is just automatic settings. Let me do it again for you. Just come up to the cell, the header, the end of the column. We're not going to look for any arrow this time. Just double click on that. And we'll adjust. I hope you saw that. Let me make it wider so you can see it again. So I'm going to click here, double click, and it's reduced. And we can do the same thing for the width, the height of the cell, height of the row, sorry. We'll click on the row that I would like to auto adjust. So just double click on here, and that made it wider again. So I'm going to adjust it to auto adjust. Double click on that. And there you go. Let me adjust this. Look at this word miscellaneous. The S is touching the end of the cell. So I'm going to adjust this. There you go. Alright. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.